Hello, my name is Jean-Paul Eyre. I'm from England, near Manchester, a little place called Wigan. My knees have been really bad since I was young. To be able to move forward in my life, I was struggling sleeping at night and walking. After having a long battle with services in England, I got myself a private MRI scan and they diagnosed severe arthritis in both my knees. In England, they wouldn't operate on both knees simultaneously. So I searched myself all different countries. So I found Mac hospitals.
Yay, let's go, get you a new knee.
When he came down to India, we saw him in the clinic. We realized that he had advanced osteoarthritis and he underwent arthroscopy sometime. And that did help him, but not for a very long time. And slowly, his activity started reducing. He found it difficult to walk. We decided we would go ahead with knee replacement, which we have done, and it's 3 weeks now. To say that this is very successful surgery is because also Jean-Paul is a very cooperative person who likes to exercise and follow our orders.
I've been in rehab now for 3 weeks and I go home on Friday. I'm walking upstairs, I'm sleeping with no pain, and I look forward to going home and walking along the canal with my wife, watching my kids play sport, not in any pain. I just want to also say a massive thank you to Dr. Higri and his team. They've been absolutely brilliant, and Max Smart Hospitals, who have done an amazing job on changing my life. Thank you.